So here 3 minus 3 gets 0, 0 plus 1 minus half minus 1, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3 square. So that is root 3 square, which is a. Square root gets cancelled, a equal to 3. So we have small a equals to 3. So now clearly observe the vertex and focus. If we observe the coordinates here, vertex has coordinates 3 comma minus 2 and also focus 3 comma 1. So observe here, for both of the points, vertex and focus, the x coordinates are same. So what we conclude about these 2 points? So ఈ 2 points ki x coordinate same undi. Okay? So the 2 points lie on the same line. So the line is which is parallel to, here x coordinate is x equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 is a line which is parallel to y axis. So now we draw the diagram. Take it as a y axis. This is x axis. So this is origin. So let us 1, 2, 3 on x axis. So let us here 1 and the negative side, that is minus 1 and that is minus 2. So now plot the points, that is 3 comma 1. You will get here 3 comma 1 and focus. Sorry, 3 comma 1. This is focus and vertex 3 comma minus 2. So we will get here 3 comma minus 2. So this is focus, yes, and this is vertex, CA. So therefore the parabola will be like this one, which passes through the vertex. Okay. So here this will be the directrix, and the directrix is parallel to x-axis. Sorry, the directrix is okay, parallel to x-axis. So now in this case, the equation of the parabola is here the vertex 3 comma 2. We will take it as x h comma k. The equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Now apply the values here. Here h value is 3, that is x minus 3 whole square, equal to 4a, that is a into a value is 3, 4 into 3 into y minus k value is minus 2. So now simplify, x minus 3 whole square equal to 4 3 is 12 into y minus half minus, that is plus 2. So this is the required equation of the parabola. So this is very important problem for 2 marks. So first, based on the position of the points, vertex and focus, we had to identify the form of the parabola. So and now we have to write the formula and substitute the values. We will get the equation of the parabola. Next, we will do one more problem. So see the question. Find the coordinates of the points on the parabola y square equal to x whose focal distance is 5 by 2. Here he's asking for the coordinates of the points on the parabola. So parabola equation is already given and focal distance is also given. That is 5 by 2. So first we need to find the points coordinates of the points. So for that we will take a point. Let P x1 y1 be a point on the parabola. That is given y square equal to 2x. Since it is a point on the parabola, so the point will satisfy the equation will satisfy the we can substitute the point in the parabola equation. That is we will get y1 square equal to 2x1. Let this as equation 1. And next, so now compare the parabola equation with the standard form. So that is y square equal to 4ax. Here 4a equal to 2. 4a equal to 2. That is a equal to 1 by 2. And what is given here? Focal distance is 5 by 2. So for this equation, for this parabola equation, we have already yesterday we have proved that the focal distance. What is the focal distance? Focal distance is the distance of the point on the parabola from its focus. So that is SP. So the distance of the point from its focus is the focal distance. So we have SP is equals to PM. So by the definition of the parabola, SP equal to PM. So we already derived the PM, that is x plus A. It is the distance of the point from the directrix, perpendicular distance of the point P from the directrix, that is x plus A. So here the point is x1, y1, therefore here we can write x1 plus A. So this is the focal distance. So here it is given as 5 by 2, therefore focal distance. Focal distance is equals to 5 by 2. So we have the focal distance for all, that is x1 plus A is equal to 5 by 2. So now substitute the value of A, we have 1 by 2, x1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. So take 1 by 2 right side, we will get x1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So that is x1 is equal to 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 4 by 2, that is 2. So we have x1 is equal to 2. So now we have to find the y coordinates. From the equation 1, we have y1 square equal to x1 from 1, y1 square equal to 2x1. Now substitute the value of x1 here. So that is 2 into 2, which is equals to 4, y1 square equal to 4. Now y1 will be equals to plus or minus 2. So therefore the points, the coordinates of the points are, so x1 is equal to 2 and y1 equal to plus or minus 2. So therefore we will get 2 points, that is 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 2. So these are the points which lie on the parabola y square equal to x and whose focal distance is 5x. So next we will do one more problem. Find the equation of the parabola passing through the points minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 1 and having its axis parallel to x-axis. So before going to solve this problem, let us discuss some points. So yesterday we discussed the various forms of the parabola. So they are, first one is y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay. Next, so for these cases, the vertex is origin and the directrix is here. The directrix is x-axis. For these two, the directrix is y-axis. Okay. So here, for these two cases, the axis of parabola is x-axis. For these two cases, the axis of parabola is y-axis. Next, the remaining cases are y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Again, 1 minus k whole square equals to minus 4a into x minus h. Next, x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k, x minus h whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus k. So for these four cases, the vertex is a h comma k. Okay, so now observe all these equations. Here, the axis of parabola. The axis of parabola here, for the first two cases, the axis of parabola is x-axis. Here the axis of parabola is x-axis. Here the axis of parabola is y-axis. So for first these two, next fifth and sixth cases, the axis of parabola is y equal to k. So that is here the axis of parabola is parallel to x-axis. Axis of parabola is parallel to x-axis. So here the question is given. So the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis will be in the form of these two equations, these two forms. Okay. So we can write general equation by simplifying all these equation. We can write the general form of the equation as x equal to ly square plus my plus n. So we will take it as the general equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So next, for these two cases, the axis of parabola is parallel to y-axis, that is x equal to h. So the equation of the parabola, the general form of the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is, we can take as y equal to Lx square plus my plus n. So we take the general form of the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis this type, and the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis in the form of this equation. So the question, now the question is, find the equation of the parabola passing through the points minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 1, and 2 comma 1, and having its axis parallel to x-axis. Here the axis is given as it is parallel to x-axis. So for this, we will take the parabola equation. So let equation of parabola so since the axis is parallel to x-axis, we will take the equation of the parabola Ly square plus my plus n. So, and it is given that the parabola passes through three given points. Now substitute the point. Since the parabola passes through the point, first point minus 1 comma 2, so let it as 1. So equation, the parabola passes through the point that is minus 1 comma 2. So now substitute. Here the x value is minus 1. Minus 1 equal to L into, that is y value 2 square plus m into 2 plus yeah. Minus 1 is equal to 4L. Now simplifying, 4L plus 2M plus n. So this can be written as 4L plus 2M plus n. So minus 1 will take that side, plus 1 will complete, which is equal to 3. So now take it as equation 2. Similarly, the parabola passes through the second point, that is 2 comma 1, sorry, 1 comma minus 1, passes through point 1 comma minus 1. So and also apply the point in the equation, that is here x value is 1, L into y square, that is minus 1 square plus m into minus 1 plus n. So now simplifying the equation, we will get minus 1 square is L, minus 1 square is 1, that is L, m into minus 1 minus m plus n, which is equals to 1. Now take all terms one side, L minus m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation 3. And also the parabola passes through the point. Also passes through the point, third point, that is 2 comma 1. So now substitute in the equation, 2 is equal to L into 1, L into 1 square plus m into 1 plus n. So on simplifying, we will get L plus m plus n minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now, by solving the equation 2, 3, 4, we will get the values L, m, n. And after finding the values, we will substitute in the equation 1. So, which is the required equation of the parabola. So let us solve the equations. So now solving. 2 and 3. So second equation is 4L plus 2M plus N plus 1 equals 0. And third one is, third one we have L minus M plus N. L minus M plus N minus 1 equal to 0. So on subtracting, we will get this is 1 is minus 1 plus minus this is plus. So we'll get N gets cancelled. So 4L minus L, that is 3L, 2M plus M, that is 3M. So plus 2 equal to 0. So next, solving 3 and 4. So third equation is L minus M plus N minus 1 equal to 0. And fourth, that is L plus M plus N minus 2 equal to 0. Here also subtraction. So let's cancel N. Here L also getting cancelled. Minus M minus M, that is minus 2M. Minus, so here plus minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So here let me check the equation once. Okay. Here minus 2M plus 1 equal to 0. Here we get 2M is equals to 1. That is M equal to 1 by 2. So here we got M value 1 by 2 and substitute the M value. Here take it as equation 5. Now from 5. So that is 3L plus 3M plus 2 equal to 0. 5 implies 3L plus 3M plus 2 equal to 0. Now substitute M equal to 1 by 2. So that is 3L plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So on simplifying, we get LCM as 2. 3 to the 6L plus 3 plus 2 to the 4, which is equals to 0. So 6L plus 7 equal to 0. So from this, L equals to minus 7 by 6. So this is the L value. We already have M value. Now from the equation, equation 1, we can find the, or from 1, 2 or 3, we can find the value of N. So substitute in equation 3. L minus m plus n, L minus m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. L minus m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. So substitute the value of m and L. So L is minus 7 by 6 minus m is 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 equal to 0. So here the LCM is 6. So that is minus 7 minus 3 plus 6n minus 6 equal to 0. So on simplifying, we get minus 7 minus 7 is 10 minus 16. So therefore 6n minus 16 equal to 0. So 6n equal to 16. Here n equal to 16 by 6. So here we will get 2 8s, 2 3s. That is 8 by 3. So therefore n value is 8 by 3. So here we got the values of L, M, N. Therefore from the equation 1, equation of parabola, that is x equal to Ly square plus my plus n. So x equals to L value is minus 7 by 6 y square, and m value is 1 by 2, that is plus 1 by 2 m, and n value is 8 by 3. So this is the equation of the required parabola. So similarly, we can find the equation of the parabola which is passing through the 3 points, and the axis of the parabola is parallel to y axis. So let us do one more problem. Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y axis. So this is the exercise problem, exercise 3a, problem number 2, fifth one. Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y axis, and which passes through the points which passes through the points 4 comma 5 minus 2 comma 11 and minus 4 comma 21. Here what is given in the question? The equation of the find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. So here we discussed already that the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is given by y equal to lx square plus my plus n. So now substitute the points. Since the equation of the parabola the equation passes through these 3 points, we will get the equations. Take it as equation 1. So 1 passes through. Four comma 5. So here y equal to 5, that is 5 equal to L into 4 square plus m into 4 plus n. So by simplifying, we get 16L plus 4m plus n equals to 5. So take it as equation 2. And also 1 passes through. Minus 2 comma 11. So that is y value is here 11 equal to L into minus 2 whole square plus m into minus 2 plus n. So by simplifying, we get 4L minus 2m plus n equal to 11. So this is equation 3. And also 1 passes through. Minus 4 comma 21. So that is 21 equal to L into minus 4 whole square plus m into minus 4 plus n. So on simplifying, we get 16L minus 4m plus n equal to 21. Take it as equation 4. So now solving these 3 equations, we will get L, m, n values. Solving the equation 2 and 3. So that is 16L plus 4m plus n equal to 5 and 4L minus 2m plus n equal to 11. On subtraction, we get n gets cancelled. 16L minus 4L, that is 12L. 4 plus 2, that is 2, 6m, which is equals to 5 minus 11 minus 6. Here take 6 common. 2L plus m equal to minus 6. So from this we get 2L plus m is equal to minus 1. Next. Now solve the equation 2 and 4. From 2 and 4, the equation 2 is 16L plus 4m plus n equal to 5. And equation 4 is 16L minus 4m plus n is equals to 21. On subtraction, we get minus, this is plus, minus, and minus. So n gets cancelled. Here also 16L minus 16L gets cancelled. So plus 4m plus 4m, that is 8m, is equal to 5 minus 21, that is minus 16. So here m equal to minus 2. So here we got the m value, m equal to minus 2. Substitute the equation, sorry, substitute the value of m here, that is 2L minus 2 equal to minus 1. So that is 2L is equal to minus 1 plus 2. 2L is equals to 1. So that implies L equal to 1 by 2. Here we got the value of L. Next, solve for the N. So from the equation 3, 4L minus 2M. 4L minus 2M plus L is equal to 11. Substitute the value of L and M. That is 4 into L value is 1 by 2, M value is minus 2. 4 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus N is equal to 11. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here we have 2 minus into minus plus, that is 4 plus N equal to 11. So 2 plus 4 6, take to right side, we will get N equal to 11 minus 6, that is N equal to 5. So therefore we have the values L equal to 1 by 2, M equal to minus 2 and N equal to 5. So now substituting in the equation 1, we have y equal to Lx square plus mx plus n. So y equal to L values, that is 1 by 2 x square plus m values minus 2 into x plus n is 5. So that is y equal to 1 by 2 x square minus 2x plus 5. Now we can simplify this equation. That is, here we take LCM as 2 x square minus 4x plus 10, which is equals to y. On cross multiply, we get 2y is equals to x square minus 4x plus 10. So we can take all the terms one side, x square minus 4x, take 2y right side and get minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the parabola. So similarly, you do two more problems. Here in exercise 3A, problem number 1, the first question is find the vertex and focus of parabola, that is 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 equals to 0. So in this question, so here to find the vertex and focus. So here the given parabola equation is transformed into the standard form. So here we have y square. So therefore the equation can be transformed into the form y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h, or y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So by transforming the equation into this form or this form, we will get the any one of the form, and then find the vertex and focus of the corresponding parabola. So now we will solve this question. The given equation is 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 equals to 0. So now transform the equation into standard form. So take the y terms together, that is 4y square minus 20y is equals to, take the other terms to right side, so that is minus 12x minus 67. So you take from these two terms, take 4 common, that is y square minus 5y, which is equals to minus 12x minus 67. Now transform these terms into the form y minus k whole square. So that is 4 into y square minus, here y minus k whole square, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we need to transform the equation to this form so that we can write the equation into y minus k whole square. So here we have y square in place of a square minus, here we need 2 first. Here is no 2. We can write the 2 into y here. Now divide the 5 with 2. So we will get cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. We will get the same term y. Okay. So and then we need b square. So in place of b, we have 5 by 2. So now add b square, that is 5 by 2 whole square, and subtract 5 by 2 whole square, which is equals to minus 2x minus 67. So for these three terms, we have y minus 2, y minus 5 by 2 whole square. We can write minus, this one is 25 by 4, which is equals to minus 12x minus 67. So now multiply 4 inside, 4 into y minus 5 by 2 whole square minus, here 4 will get cancelled, that is equals to 5, which is equals to minus 12x minus 67. So take minus 25 right side, 4 into y minus 5 by 2 whole square, which is equals to minus 12x minus 67 plus 25. Here minus 12x minus 67 plus 25 minus 42. Okay, so take 4 right side, y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 12x minus 42 by 4, which is equals to, so divide the for each term, 4 3 are 12, that is minus 3x minus 42 by 4. So that is, here we will get 221 the 2 2 the. So that is minus 3x minus 21 by 2. Here take minus 3 as common. We will get x minus 7 by 2. Sorry, x plus 7 by 2. So here minus 3 into writing in the standard form, we will get x minus 7 by 2. So left side y minus 5 by 2 whole square. So therefore, here we transform the equation into the standard form. Y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. Here h comma k represents the vertex, that is, so h value is minus 7 by 2, comma k value is 5 by 2. So this is the vertex and focus. So for this case, y minus k whole square equal to minus 4 into x minus h. The focus is h plus a comma k. So now substituting here h value is minus 7 by 2 plus a. Here a. So now find the value of a minus 4a. 4a is equals to 3. That is a equal to 3 by 4. That is plus 3 by 4 comma k. That is k value is 5 by 2. So now simplify minus 14 plus 3 by 4 comma 5 by 2. We get minus 11 by 4 comma 5 by 2. So in this way you can find the vertex and focus of the given parabola equation. So solve the similar problems in your textbook, exercise 3a. We will discuss the remaining problems later on the class. So that's all for now. Thank you for joining.